Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Microsoft Edge from running in the background. Okay, so if you have a older computer and maybe not too much RAM, having Microsoft Edge or any browser or any processes in general run in the background can cause it to slow down. Okay, so now this is one way, simple, easy way to prevent Edge from running in the background. So what you want to go is first go here and then go to settings. I'm already here, and now on the left hand side you want to find system and performance. Okay, so let's click that. After that, let's go into system, and here you can see that this option startup boost and continue while running in the background, while running background extension and apps while Edge is closed. So you want to make sure that these two are off, and it tells you why this is enabled to get browsing quickly. So when your computer turns on, it automatically runs like an agent in the background. So depending on your computer, you may notice a difference in startup, right? So things might really go slow in the beginning because this is starting up and a bunch of other things are starting up as well. So what you want to do is turn this off, and then the second one is also you want to turn that off. And the second one is mostly for extensions you may have. Those kind of will pop up and can still run while Edge is closed. So you want to just make sure those two are turned off. All right, so now once you have that off, next thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that the current process of Edge is turned off. Okay, so you can either go here, and if you see like any Edge icon, you can just right click it and turn it off. I don't have any over here. And the other thing is just to make sure that next time it doesn't start up, you want to go to Task Manager, right? And the way you can do that is Alt Control Delete, or the way I do it is Control Shift Escape, right? And it opens up the Task Manager, and here you want to go to Startup Apps, and this will show you all the things that will start up when you are loading your or starting up your PC. Okay, you guys can see I have majority of the things disabled over here, right, and just very few things enabled. So if you do see things that are enabled that you don't really use that often, definitely just disable it, and you want to turn it off. All right, and if you see some Edge startup thing over here as well, turn that off as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This definitely should show a change in performance in your PC, especially if you are noticing some kind of delay with Edge, right, or just your PC in general. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.